Okay, if you have kind of odd behavior from your Land Rover, Range Rover, and in this case, this is a 2006 Range Rover L322. And the odd behavior I have is this. All the lights are just kind of having a little party, and they've invited me. And the back does it as well. So you've got kind of some crazy flashing going on. So what we need to do, I think, is we're going to replace the lighting control module. And what I was able to do was find online supposedly a remanufactured one of these. So we're going to replace it and hope for the best. Okay, apparently the lighting control module is on the passenger side, basically on the left-hand side of the vehicle, regardless if it's a left or a right-hand drive truck. So first thing we have to do is pop off this trim piece right here. And I just got a screwdriver under here, and it did just literally pop right up. So looks like none of the clips broke. That's good. Off to a good start. Oh, there's one of the clips that just fell out. All right, no problem. We'll eventually get that picked up and saved. I think that just slides right back in here. So if anybody messes that up a little, no problem. All right, next thing we have to do is get this out. And oh, well, that was surprisingly easy. That just came right out. That's a little kick panel there, and as I'm told, that's it right there. There is only, I think, one 8mm bolt right there at the bottom, and once you get that out, I think it's supposed to drop down, I think, and then we can get the new one fitted and back up in there. This will be the world's quickest job on a Land Rover. Did I jinx myself? Probably. All right, well, actually, the piece here was broken already, so I am hopeful that this hasn't already been done, and maybe it didn't fix the problem. I don't know, but anyway, that's the lighting control module, and we're just going to simply unplug it and put the new one in. All right, well, that was actually a little tricky. These plugs have a little pinch on each side, and then you can kind of tell by these little guides right here that the plug is going to go this way, and as it goes this way, it's going to actually lift up. So once you get these pinched and kind of loose a little bit, it just takes a kind of a firm pull right here to go that way on this one, and then the black one down here that opposite way. This one was pretty self-explanatory. Once you lift this little kind of gate up, the whole thing kind of lifts up and goes straight out. So hopefully that helps. This one goes this way. Once you loosen it that way, then straight up. All right, now let's see. I'm dying before I put this thing back together of curiosity to see if this has resolved the problem. All right, well, if anybody believes in crossing fingers, let's do it now. Yes, I'm pretty happy, I think, maybe. Let's check the back here first. All right, I don't see any flickering lights in the back. And in the front, none there either. All right. Well, that's great. So it appears to have been the lighting control module went bad, and it was causing all kinds of crazy things on the dashboard, and like the flashers were going off at some point, and there was a weird beeping from the center console. It was constant, very slight little beep, but that all seems to be gone away. So this refurbished lighting control module seems to have done the trick. Hopefully it really has. So once I get this back together, I will pull it out and see if we can turn the lights on. All right, I am not sure if we fixed the problem or not. We might have bad headlight modules or something, but we have a warning code. We have improvement, but we have a warning code there that there's something wrong with the lights. So what I have is a handy gap tool, and let's plug it in and see what it says. Well, we will tune back in. I think it's possible I have both low beam lights that are burned out. So this one is real dull and this one is non-existent, and I have a reading on the dashboard that says check low beam light. So it could be part of the problem. Might have been multiple things. So honestly, I think the lighting control module did fix what appears to be maybe 90% of the issue, and we will check back in and let you know. Okay, success. So changing the lighting control module, and then both the xenon lights and the igniters were suspect, so I replaced them both and everything seems to be working. So that's a successful story, and actually it really wasn't that bad of a job.